guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jazzy, and in today's video I want to share with you guys how I remove my lace frontal units. So I've had this unit installed for 5 days now, and I've been going to sleep with it on. I don't wrap my units, I don't wear any like satin bonnets, I don't braid the hair. Typically I will braid it, but here lately I haven't been braiding it, but I'm so ready to take this unit off, and it is still intact in certain areas. It just started lifting a few hours ago right here. So yeah, other than that, it's still intact and it's holding up pretty good. And if you guys want to see how I customize my lace frontal units to make them look more natural, make sure you guys go ahead and check the link above. I will go ahead and leave it in the card section. But for this video, I'm actually going to demonstrate for you guys how I remove my lace frontal units. Now, a while back, maybe like last summer, I did share with you guys what products I use to install my units as well as to remove them, but I didn't actually show you guys how I do it. And today it's like the perfect day because I'm wearing Jazzy JT merch that comes out on Friday, plus your girl has on like a little soft beat, so we're gonna go ahead and knock that video out now. So the product I like to use is the Chic Bond Lace Wig Bond Conditioning Remover. It says that it gently removes bond infused with vitamin E and argan oil. So this is what the bottle looks like, and as you guys can see, I am dang near out, but I'm gonna make sure this lasts and goes a long way for me, and I'm gonna show you guys how. So I'm actually going to be using Q-tips. So what I like to do is I like to fill the cap full with just a little bit. This way I can preserve the rest of it, and then I'll just dip my Q-tips in this little cap. And I like to use 2 Q-tips at a time. And so first I'm just gonna go ahead and in no particular order, just apply this to the hairline where the lace is. And I did put bronzer on my forehead, so it will be a little dirty. So once that's done, I like to let it sit on my hairline for a good 3 to 5 minutes, and as you guys can see, it's already lifting right there. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait a few minutes to let it really penetrate and remove some of that adhesive. So I'll be back once it's been like 3 to 5 minutes later, so this way you guys can see what I like to do next. Okay, so it's been around 3 to 4 minutes, and as you guys can see, it is dang near lifted in the center, so I'm just like able to move it around a little bit. But what I'm actually going to do is those 2 Q-tips I initially used, I'm gonna go ahead and use the other side that hasn't been used, and I'm still going back into that little cap full. And after I do this, pretty much all the product tends to be gone. So I like to start off wherever it's already lifted and I can visibly like hold the lace. And I'll just go ahead and work this in there, but also making sure like I'm not pulling my hair, because if it's not budging, then I'm not gonna force it. So like right here where I know it's lifting, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this Q-tip to help me loosen it up. Typically, the only parts that tend to stay are the ears for me. So now I've used both of these Q-tips. I'm actually gonna go ahead and pour some more of this solution in the cap bowl, just a little bit. And I'm actually going to take 2 brand new Q-tips and do the same thing. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this product, try to work it on the hairline, making sure I remove the residue so I can go ahead and just take this unit off, because it's been about 7 days since I've washed my hair as well. So just ready to do that. I'm taking the other side of the Q-tips and I'm just gonna go ahead and get some more product. This whole process should be painless. It shouldn't be painful. You shouldn't feel like any type of open wounds or anything like that. especially if you're trying to keep your edges, which obviously I am. So just take your time and try to loosen up that residue without actually like pulling your hair. Okay, so this is the only part left, and it's being a little stubborn. And you guys also asked me the same thing, like, what do I use to remove the adhesive from my lace? Like, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but that is adhesive, that's that lace residue. So actually I use the same product to remove it. Going back in with some more Q-tip and solution, and just really trying to get that loosened because that is actually really stuck. So just go ahead and apply it and just try to work it off like that. So now I can just go ahead and remove the unit, and that is what the hairline looks like. And this is what the unit looks like. So as you guys can see, I have some of that residue close by my ears. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and focus on removing some of that residue that's on my hairline. I'm going back in with this solution. And as you guys can see, I still have quite a bit of this solution left. Using Q-tips really does help. I'm just applying this to my hairline. Okay, so now that I've taken my unit off, I'm actually going to go ahead and take down my braids. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair up. Okay, so now I'll be able to show you guys all of that residue that I have to remove. I typically like to use a comb, and because I've already applied it, I like to just go ahead and pick it like that. And it typically comes up because by the time I've taken my braids down, that has been enough time for it to penetrate into my scalp. and to go ahead and get some of the adhesive up, which as you guys can see, it's getting caught in the comb. Just brushing my baby hairs down, removing that glue residue without pulling my hair out. So that's what the comb looks like. You guys see that? My baby hair is still intact. I'm just gonna go ahead and take some of this residue off so I can go ahead and continue to remove it from the remaining of my hairline. This is how much residue was in my comb so far. So gross. So after I went ahead and removed as much of that lace residue with the comb, I like to go in with the toothbrush and some more of that residue remover. And again, this is the Chic Bond Lace Wig Conditioning Remover. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick my toothbrush in here. Make sure all the bristles get some of that liquid solution. And I'm just gonna go ahead and brush where the product is heavily, which is typically around my ears and my temples. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it upwards. And this is gonna also go ahead and help that little bit of adhesive go ahead and break down. So this way I can get ready to wash my hair. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and switch back to the comb for this section and do some more of that raking. Alright you guys, so that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys found it enjoyable. I hope you guys found it useful. Again, if you guys are interested in any of the products that I mentioned on how I remove my lace, make sure you guys check the description box down below. And I'll also go ahead and leave the video where I share with you guys my favorite products to use to apply my lace frontal units and install my wigs, as well as remove them. As you guys seen in this video, I went ahead and demonstrated and showed you guys from start to finish what I do. But if you guys just want a video where I share my products, make sure you guys check that out as well, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.